Welcome to Earth Decoded. Today, we are taking you on an unforgettable journey through the top 10 hidden places in the world. Stay until number 1 because this destination is unlike anything you've ever seen. Our journey begins in the heart of Peru, where one of the world's most extraordinary hidden places lies surrounded by endless sand dunes. Welcome to Huacachina. Often called the Oasis of America, Huacachina is a small village built around a natural lagoon in the middle of the desert. Surrounded by towering golden dunes that can reach over 300 feet high, it feels like something from a movie. Local legend says the lagoon was created by a beautiful princess whose magical mirror transformed into water as she fled from a hunter. Today, Huacachina attracts adventure seekers from around the world. Visitors race across the dunes in high-speed dune buggies, try sandboarding, and watch spectacular sunsets that paint the desert in shades of gold and orange. Despite being located in one of the driest regions on Earth, this tiny oasis remains one of Peru's most fascinating hidden treasures. Hidden high in Morocco's Rif Mountains lies one of the most colorful towns on Earth. Welcome to Chefchaouen. Known as the Blue Pearl of Morocco, nearly every building, staircase, and narrow alleyway is painted in beautiful shades of blue. The tradition of painting the city blue dates back centuries and is believed by many to symbolize peace and spirituality. Walking through Chefchaouen feels like stepping into a dream. Around every corner you'll discover colorful flower pots, handmade crafts, traditional markets, and friendly local people. Unlike Morocco's larger cities, Chefchaouen offers a peaceful atmosphere perfect for photographers and travelers looking to escape the crowds. Every street tells a story, making this hidden mountain town one of the world's most magical destinations. Welcome to Socotra, one of the most isolated islands on our planet. Located in the Arabian Sea, this remote island has been separated from mainland Africa for millions of years. Because of this isolation, nearly one-third of all plant species found here exist nowhere else on Earth. The island's most famous attraction is the dragon blood tree. Its umbrella-shaped canopy and red-colored sap make it look like something from another planet. Scientists often compare Socotra to the Galapagos Islands because of its extraordinary biodiversity. White sand beaches, crystal-clear waters, towering mountains, and surreal landscapes make Socotra one of the most unique destinations in the world. Visiting this incredible island truly feels like exploring another world. We travel to one of the most colorful landscapes on Earth, Zhangye Rainbow Mountains in China's Gansu province. At first glance, these mountains almost look like a painting. But their incredible colors are completely natural. Over millions of years, layers of red sandstone and minerals were slowly compressed and shaped by wind, rain, and tectonic forces. The result is a breathtaking landscape filled with vibrant shades of red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. The best time to witness this natural masterpiece is during sunrise or sunset, when the changing light makes the colors even more spectacular. Stretching across hundreds of square kilometers, this geological wonder attracts photographers, hikers, and nature lovers from around the world. Designated as a UNESCO Global Geopark, the Rainbow Mountains are a reminder that nature can create works of art more beautiful than anything humans can imagine. Standing here feels like walking across another planet. Welcome to Pamukkale, one of Turkey's most extraordinary natural wonders. Its name means cotton castle, and it's easy to see why. Over thousands of years, mineral-rich hot spring water has flowed down the hillside, leaving behind brilliant white limestone terraces that resemble giant frozen waterfalls. These naturally formed pools are filled with warm turquoise water, attracting visitors from every corner of the world. Just above the terraces lies the ancient Roman city of Hierapolis, where people have bathed in these healing waters for more than 2000 years. Today, visitors can walk barefoot across the dazzling white terraces while enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Pamukkale is one of those rare destinations where natural beauty and ancient history come together in perfect harmony. It's truly one of Earth's hidden treasures. Halfway through our countdown, we arrive at one of New Zealand's most magical destinations, the Waitomo Glowworm Caves. Hidden beneath rolling green hills lies an underground world unlike anywhere else on Earth. Thousands of tiny glowworms cover the cave ceiling, creating a breathtaking display that looks like a sky filled with millions of stars. These glowing insects use their natural blue-green light to attract small insects, turning the caves into one of nature's most extraordinary spectacles. Visitors quietly glide through the caves by boat, surrounded by complete silence as the glowing lights reflect across the dark water. The caves themselves were formed millions of years ago from ancient limestone, creating beautiful underground chambers and winding rivers. Visiting Waitomo feels less like entering a cave and more like stepping into a magical galaxy beneath the earth. It's an unforgettable experience that leaves every traveler in awe. We arrive at one of the most unbelievable landscapes on Earth, Lençóis Maranhenses National Park in northeastern Brazil. At first glance, it looks like an endless desert. But unlike any ordinary desert, this incredible place transforms every year into a paradise of crystal-clear lagoons. During the rainy season, water collects between the massive white sand dunes, creating thousands of natural pools filled with fresh, turquoise water. The contrast between the brilliant white sand and the bright blue lagoons creates a landscape unlike anywhere else on our planet. Stretching across more than 1,500 square kilometers, the park is so unique that many visitors believe they're looking at a scene from another world. Despite appearing dry and lifeless from above, the lagoons become home to fish that survive by laying eggs in the wet sand before the water disappears again. Scientists continue to study this fascinating natural cycle. Whether you're hiking across the dunes, swimming in the warm lagoons, or watching the sunset, Lençóis Maranhenses is a place that feels almost impossible to believe. One of the world's most extraordinary rock formations, the Wave, located on the Arizona-Utah border in the United States. Formed more than 190 million years ago, this incredible sandstone landscape was slowly shaped by wind, rain, and time. The flowing curves and colorful layers create the illusion of frozen ocean waves carved into solid rock. Shades of red, orange, pink, and gold constantly change throughout the day as sunlight moves across the surface. Because of its fragile environment, only a limited number of visitors are allowed to enter each day through a special permit system. This helps protect one of nature's greatest masterpieces for future generations. Hiking to the Wave is challenging, but every step is rewarded with scenery unlike anything else on Earth. It's no surprise that photographers and adventurers from around the world dream of visiting this hidden wonder. We arrive at the largest salt flat on Earth, Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. Covering more than 10,000 square kilometers, this endless white landscape is breathtaking at any time of year. But during the rainy season, something magical happens. A thin layer of water spreads across the salt, transforming the entire landscape into the world's largest natural mirror. The reflection becomes so perfect that the sky and earth appear to merge into one. Visitors often capture incredible optical illusion photographs that seem to defy reality. Beneath the salt lies one of the world's largest reserves of lithium, an important resource for modern batteries. Nearby attractions include colorful lagoons, giant cacti, active volcanoes, and flocks of flamingos. Salar de Uyuni is not only one of the most beautiful places on Earth, It is one of the most surreal landscapes ever discovered. Retail village of Geethoorn in the Netherlands. Often called the Dutch Venice, Geethoorn is one of the most peaceful and charming villages in the world. What makes it truly unique is that there are almost no roads in the old part of the village. Instead, people travel by quiet electric boats, bicycles, or on foot using more than 170 wooden bridges. The canals wind through beautiful gardens, traditional thatched roof cottages, and centuries-old farms, creating a magical atmosphere that feels frozen in time. The village was founded in the 13th century by settlers who dug canals to transport peat, and over time these waterways became the heart of everyday life. Today, visitors can glide silently through the canals, enjoy local cafes by the water, and experience one of the most peaceful places in Europe. Every season gives Geethoorn a different kind of beauty. In spring and summer, flowers bloom along the canals. In autumn, golden leaves reflect on the water. During winter, when temperatures are cold enough, the frozen canals become natural skating paths. Unlike busy tourist cities, Geethoorn offers something increasingly rare in today's world: complete peace. That's why it deserves the #1 spot on our list of the world's most incredible hidden places. From glowing underground caves to villages without roads. From rainbow-colored mountains to deserts filled with crystal-clear lagoons. Our planet is full of hidden places waiting to be explored. Every destination on this list reminds us that some of Earth's greatest wonders are still waiting to be discovered. Which hidden place amazed you the most? Tell us your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Earth Decoded, where every destination tells a story, and every journey begins with curiosity. We'll see you in the next adventure.